welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to open your account on Facebook that forgot password. And this tutorial is new method on how to open account on Facebook that forgot password. So let's get started. So first go to your Facebook app. Now choose here your Facebook account that forgot password. If your forgotten password Facebook profile is not here, just click the Use Another Profile button. Then click the Forget Password button. Now put your mobile number or email that connected to your forgotten Facebook password. And click your forgotten Facebook password. By the way, so if your forgotten Facebook password is here, just click on it. Now click this and type anything else you want. So if you're done to type, just click this Log In button. So in this, click this Try Another Way button. Now click this and click this Recover button. Now choose on this an active one that is connected to your forgotten Facebook account password. Now choose on this an active one. If you're done to choose, click this Continue button. Now wait the notification code or check your message or email it, depend on what you choose earlier. So if the code appears in your notification, just copy the code and retype on this. If you're done to retype, just click this. Now click this Next button. Then click Start Selfie. Now follow these steps. Position your face in the circle. Perfect. Slowly turn your head to the left. Perfect. Slowly turn your head to the right. Perfect. So if you're done to take a selfie, just click this Submit button. So in this, just wait a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. Do not close your phone or do not back your phone. Just stay on this. So now just put your new password. Then click this button if you're done. So that's for all in this video. See you again on my next video.